Hey guys, Patrick here. It's Friday, yes, it's another live handover with Sigma Homes. Behind us, our client bought one of these properties. They've got Sigma Homes to come up with a beautiful design. We've completed the build. Today we hand over a New York team apartment. It really feels just like yesterday when we stood here during the construction. Do you know what I really like? In this hallway, they've made it twice the width. We're going to have big double doors here, and that leads us straight in to the main area. Check out these custom design doors. They're black, they're glazed, and they've got a gorgeous gold handle. But when they're open, they really set the tone in this beautiful new home. This leads us straight into the kitchen area, but check out the worktop. It's a Decton, and I really love the grain that goes running through it. But you know what we've done here? With the work units underneath, we've gone for two different colors. We've matched the handles, but together it works really, really well. Check out this tap, and I really like the material finish. It works perfectly with the Decton, and it's quite simple to use. Just one click and you turn on your tap and you can work it all around the whole perimeter of the sink, and another simple click back on and you can see it's so gorgeous looking. It works just like a normal tap. At each side of this kitchen we've got a big pantry storage. Overhead, somewhere to put all your baking trays. We've got a twin oven, and check out underneath, we've got a plate warmer. It's actually on and it's so warm. But when it comes to designing kitchens, every bit of space you can grab is so important, and that's exactly what we did here. We've got this small drawer underneath, and this is perfect for all your oven trays. Behind me is the door that leads straight into the utility room. It's tall, it's customed, and I really love the sharp lines that run through it. But what I love most is its glass. This is what we call a reeded glass. It looks really, really cool, but it's also practical. It allows the light to spill in, but also giving you privacy from the inside. Just one step off the kitchen, in this room we've got everything we need and even more. In this home we've come up with some amazing design details, and it really does start at the ceiling. We've introduced this big cornicing that runs around and into each room. Below that, about 400 mil, we've got this dado rail, and this is the start of our room colour. Also underneath, we've got these really cool window frames. At the outside, we've got the sash window, and on the inside, we've got these half-height shutters that really give it the finishing touch. Below this, we've got our customised radiator, and to finish it all along the floor, we've got a bespoke big skirting board. This leads us straight into the lounge area. Here, we've got this big TV. Check out these guys. They're an award-winning design and build team. Behind this logo, you've got all your favorite movies. Underneath, we've got this electric fire. And you know what I love most? One click of a button, and you've got no mess. But check out this dining table. Look at the size of this tree. This has been customized, handmade, and all the way from Thailand. And you know what? This fits in just perfectly. This hardwood bog oak flooring really sets the scene for the whole project and connects all the rooms perfectly together. Behind this door, we've got the main bathroom. To the front of this home, we've got 2 rooms. To our left, this room is a multi-purpose room. We've got a couch, a TV and a workstation area. But if you ever decide to put a bed in here, we've got a full wardrobe. Across the hallway, we've got our master bedroom. The wood flooring comes running in, and to my left and to my right, we've got all the walk-in wardrobe space. Behind us is where we've got our ensuite. In here, it's all carefully selected finishes. And you know what, when you look around, it is really, really tasteful. What an amazing home. But there's one key feature I haven't mentioned yet. Right outside that window, and I feel like I can touch the water. It's the River Lee, and I can see the water trickling along. I can see the leaves starting to fall off the trees, and I can see people walking by. So not only have we got beauty on the inside, but for the eyes, we've got beauty on the outside. A special thanks to Mark, Seamus and all the team. Guys, you know it, you've done an amazing handover. To our homeowners, I think you're about 10 minutes away, and I'm looking forward to meeting you.